Another guilty beat.
Zagadat. Same question every day. Gangin and bangin.
Hi guys, so this is the measurement that I'll be using for the pillowcase dress. So this is it. I already cut it and I'm gonna sew 1/2 inch at the edge. So I did that and I used the serger. So I'm gonna go ahead and flip the inside out and press it. And I'm gonna press the bottom edge 2 inches in. So that is it. I pressed the edge 2 inches in. That is the top and the bottom edge. So I'm gonna use the seam gauge to show you. So first I pressed in 1/2 inch and then I pressed in 1.5 inches, making it 2 inches at the bottom. I like it big. It's just nice for kids' outfit. So I'm gonna sew right at the edge. So once that is done, we will move on to the armhole. So as you saw from the measurements that I showed you before, you're gonna mark it 2 inches in and 5.5 inches down. Once that is done, I will use an armhole curve to join the two together. I'm gonna cut it with a rotary cutter because it's easier for me because of the curve, but you can use scissors if you don't have the cutter. So I'm gonna use the other side as a pattern and cut the other side. So once that is done, I'll go ahead and use the serger and neaten the armhole. So I just did that. I neatened the armhole and the neck and I pressed it in 1 inch. So I'm using the same gauge there. So that is exactly 1 inch. So I'll go back and I press the armhole in 1/2 inch. So I'll go back to the machine and sew around the seam that I pressed down and the 1 inch of the neck that I pressed down. I'm gonna sew both of them. So once that is done, I'm gonna move on to the belt. So I cut it 3 inches wide and 47 inches long. I'm gonna sew that 1/2 inch. So once that is done, I'm gonna use a safety pin to flip that out, as you see me doing. And I'm gonna fold the edges in 1/2 inch and sew it down. And then press it. So once the belt is done, I'm gonna get the safety pin and just put it through the hole at the neck. You will see me do it, so hopefully you guys get it. It's pretty easy, so. So that is it, you guys. So you just fold the neck together, and then you share the gathering anyhow you want it, and just tie the bow. And that is it, guys. Beautiful dress. However, guys, if you don't want it this way, you can sew another stripe and just put it in on the other side. And you will get a different style. See, you can rock it multiple ways. So there you go, guys, your beautiful pillowcase dress. I hope you enjoy it. Please don't forget to subscribe and like, because it's free. Thank you. See you soon.